BNB Tiger can 100x from here. Listing on Bybit and Bitget. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is James Kenneth and you're here on St.JamesCryptos. For those of you who know me, you know that I have been I'm a supporter of BNB Tiger, although we have some kind of commotion in the ecosystem, talking about the community, talking about people being on the divided side of the two projects that is being raised up by the dev team. Now, if you don't know about that, there's two BNB Tiger, the one with 11 zeros and the one with 17 zeros. Although this is a discrepancy in the ecosystem, I'm here to tell you that it is also very good for you to be assured of your investment to either invest on both projects or invest on the new one. I have my reason. And of course, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research, invest what you can afford to lose. That has always been my gospel, my message. Of course, yeah, I'm also a Christian. I believe in the Christian crypto community because we're here to make profits and, of course, invest into people's life like Jesus did. So, having said that, you need to understand what these BNB Tiger, what is happening right now in the ecosystem, because I believe they are coming out, rolling out new project talking about the BNB Tiger with 11 zeros because the dev team working on it, they've stated number without times that are going to come out with new project to support to build the new one, the new version of BNB Tiger. Now, if you follow their Twitter handle, they said something about them listing on Bybit and of course listing on Bitget. Now, Bybit, wow, ladies and gentlemen, Bybit is the second biggest exchange that you can think of. After Binance, if you look at coin market cap, Bybit is just sitting below Binance. Now go to coin market cap, you can Google it, then go to exchanges, click on exchanges, you can see Bybit is just sitting there below Binance. That what does that tells you? After Binance, the biggest exchange with the biggest amount of liquidity flow per day is Bybit. So that's going to be a huge plus for BNB Tiger if they are listed on Bybit, because it means a lot of people will have access to the crypto and a lot of liquidity would be flowing into this crypto. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, you know what that means. That means sooner or later, 100x would be nothing. I mean, we know BNB Tiger is sitting right now at a market cap of almost 9 million. Okay, $9 million. So that means if they are listed on Bybit, this crypto can take us up to a billion dollar. Okay, so $1 billion is way above 100x. Do you not understand what I mean? That means a lot of investors will have access to this crypto. There will be, of course, a lot of trading pair, and of course, a lot of people who want to invest in a meme coin that is gaining momentum, like the BNB Tiger. So that means the dev team put up in their Twitter handle October the 3rd. Today is October the 5th. At the time of this recording, I'm seeing that a lot of people don't understand what the dev team is doing to really promote and boost this crypto. As we enter into this week 41, of course, like I've said in my former video, a lot of crypto market activity would go up because, of course, a lot of liquidity is flowing into the market. We might see a lot of turnaround in, of course, not just in altcoin, of course, in the meme coin as well. BNB Tiger might not wait for BNB Tiger might not wait for the meme coin season to start. BNB Tiger might just as well start shooting up as soon as they're listed on these exchanges. Now, you guys saw what happened when BNB Tiger just got listed last week on MEXC. Now, MEXC is one of the seven exchanges in crypto, like according to coin market cap rating. Now, MEXC, BNB Tiger just listed on MEXC. The the crypto cap of that means the crypto market cap of BNB Tiger shot up from 7 million way up to 11 million before it came down a bit. In fact, that time I was thinking it was going to already drop two zeros or so, because of course that was when a lot of cryptos were taking hit. Talking about a week ago, if you saw Bitcoin dropped up to somewhere around 112, a lot of crypto took hit, and the market was just red. But we saw what BNB Tiger did. It almost dropped 2 zeros at that point because it got listed on MEXC, which is not even one of the top five crypto exchanges. But of course, it is also one of the exchanges that, of course, high liquidity intake comes daily. So that means if we're looking at what is going to happen right now, Bybit will boost liquidity flow in BNB Tiger. Okay, and of course they're also planning to list it on GetBit. Ladies and gentlemen, are we not ready to see BNB Tiger drop 4 to 5 zeros in this bull run? Because I believe we're going to go up to that $1 billion market cap like Shiba Inu did, like a lot of cryptocurrency did in the past. We saw pepe, we saw Doge, we saw Shiba Inu, we saw what's it called? We saw a lot of cryptocurrency doing 4 to 5x, dropping 4 to 5x zeros. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a big boost for BNB Tiger. We're waiting, we're looking for them to announce it already. Of course, they're waiting to tell us when this crypto will be listed. For me, I believe for them to be listed in any of this exchange, I believe, of course, the dev team needs to pay some amount of money. I believe all the exchanges, they need to, they don't just allow any crypto to be listed. I mean, there are criteria for cryptos to be listed on different exchanges, and if those criteria are met, then the crypto will be listed. I think one of them is for the crypto to have a lot of community, which they have seen that BNB Tiger has community. Utility must be one of them, and I think, of course, the credibility of the crypto, and of course, there's a lot of liquidity already in the crypto, So, and of course, they are willing to pay some of the fees of the crypto being listed on that exchange. So that I believe all these criteria needs to be checked, and of course, the crypto needs to be there needs to be some reports, not just report. I think every exchange needs to do their own their own report, their own research to know what kind of amount of liquidity are they having in that crypto, and of course to prove that the crypto is not a scam to the investors. I think these are the key points that every exchanges follow for crypto to be listed. So once I see this thing going on for the new BNB Tiger, it's just tell me something, ladies and gentlemen. I believe, of course, this is not a financial advice for you, ladies and gentlemen, because I see a lot of people are divided, even in the Christian crypto community, for you to understand that, of course, BNB Tiger has what it takes. The new BNB Tiger, ladies and gentlemen, they are proving themselves every day by listing on different exchanges that they are not a rock pool, that this is, of course, one of the projects that will bring smiles into a lot of people. So we need to think, should I invest in this? It's your question. How much do I invest? It's your question. It's your financial risk. You do your own risk. It's not a financial advice, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's a time for us to all think, okay? If you've watched to this point, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe. I'm just happy about this BNB Tiger. Of course, are we going to see us come to that a quarter or so of a cent? Can it drop to 5 to 6 zeros? Can it do more than 1,000x? These are all questions that we have in our mind. But we believe on this crypto and we believe that the hand of God is behind this crypto. And of course, I will invest. What would you do? Would you invest? Let me know your comment in the comment area. Tell me if you're invested in BNB Tiger or not. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.